Hello students. See, the next we will continue our the NEET previous questions and JEE questions. So my dears, be focused. Right now we will discuss about 2019 NEET question. What is that question actually? The most stable carbocation among the following is. Most stable carbocation among the following is. See, this is the first option, this is the second option, third option and fourth option, dears. First of all, what is the meaning of carbocation? See, carbon contains positive charge. That is belongs to what? Yes, carbocation. Carbon gets positive charge. Carbon gets positive charge. That belongs to what? Carbocation. If carbon gets negative charge, that belongs to carbanion. Carbanion. Right? Now, in that, which one is more stable? Actually, here one concept is introduced. That what is that concept? That is hyperconjugation, my dears. Hyperconjugation. See, what is the meaning of hyperconjugation? First, have a look here. The first of all, hyperconjugation. I will explain about hyperconjugation. After that, I will explain this option, which one is more stable. So, my dears, be focused. First of all, look at the board carefully. Hyperconjugation. See here. This is what? Carbocation. This is one carbocation. Example I am taking, right? This is one carbocation. See, carbocation beside carbon. Carbocation beside carbon, right? Carbocation beside carbon is what? Alpha carbon. Alpha carbon. Alpha carbon contains hydrogens. That belongs to what? Alpha hydrogens. Alpha hydrogens. Carefully. 30 seconds, my dear. 30 seconds we will do this answer. See, first of all, observe careful. Carbocation beside carbon is what? Alpha carbon. Alpha carbon contains alpha hydrogens. If more number of alpha hydrogens is present, that is more stable. That is more stable. That's all. See here. Observe careful. This first option. See here. First option. Carbocation. Right. This is what? Alpha carbon. Alpha carbon. Here 3 alpha hydrogens. Clear? 3 alpha hydrogens. See sir, this is alpha carbon, but this carbon does not contain any alpha hydrogen, right? So finally, how many are there, my dears? Here 3 alpha hydrogens, right? 3 alpha hydrogens. 3 alpha hydrogens, right? Clear. Next, see, observe careful, beta. This is carbocation, beside is alpha carbon. So 2 alpha hydrogens, 2 alpha hydrogens, 2 alpha hydrogens, right here 2 alpha hydrogens. Total how many, my dears? 4 alpha hydrogens. 4, where should I write? Okay, chalo. 4 alpha hydrogens. 4 alpha hydrogens. Now observe careful. This is how many alpha hydrogens there? This is alpha carbon, 2 alpha hydrogens. Here 3 alpha hydrogens. Totally 5 alpha hydrogens. 5 alpha hydrogens. See sir, here just this is carbocation, beside carbon is alpha carbon. Alpha carbon contains 2 only, my dears. Here 2 only there. So that is the reason 2 alpha hydrogens. 2 alpha hydrogens. So finally, what I said just before, my dears, observe careful. More number of alpha hydrogens, more stable carbocation. That's all. See, in this first option, 3 alpha hydrogens, right? Second option, 4 alpha hydrogens. Third option, my dear, third option, see, 5 alpha hydrogens, 5 alpha hydrogens. So that is the reason, third option is right option, my dears. Third option is right option. Okay, third option is right option. Sir, actually, okay, clear sir. If alpha hydrogens are there, that is very stable. Baat number 1. Sir, why sir? Why? Actually, what happened here? The more number of alpha hydrogens means what? The donation of electron, the donation of electrons. Donation, what spelling? Donation spelling is not coming here. Donation of electrons, donation of electrons more. So electron density increases on carbocation on carbocation. So what happened here? Electron density increases, carbocation charge decreases. So what I want to say that charge decreases, stability. What? Yes, stability increases. Stability increases. The donation of electrons. Sir, electron is negative charge. Point number one. Electron is negative charge. So that is the reason. More number of alpha hydrogens are there, more electron density reach on carbocation. So that is the reason charge decreases. When charge decreases, stability increases. That's all, my dear. That's all. So simply have to remember only one thing, beta. Right? What you have to remember? First of all, find out the carbocation. Beside carbon, find out the beside carbon. Right? Beside carbon contains more number of hydrogens. That is a very stable. That's all. Very clear. See here. Carbocation, beside carbon, no hydrogens. Beside carbon, 3 hydrogens. Carbocation, beside carbon, 2 hydrogens. Here, 2 hydrogens, 4. So in between 1 and 2, which one is more stable? Second one is stable. Why? Because yes, 4 alpha hydrogens. Sir, alpha hydrogen increases, the electron density increases on carbocation. That's all. So that is the reason. What? Third option is right option. That's all. So my dears, hyperconjugation I will explain after that. I will take the 1 hour session. Right now we have to just remember the carbocation beside carbon, alpha carbon contains how many hydrogens? Count it. Which carbon, which alpha hydrogen, which option contains more number of alpha hydrogens? That is the more stable. That's all, my dear. That's all. This is yours, Ravish. Right? Take care. Bye-bye.